to see you. When they traveled to see you, they had forgotten me. With my tears, with my sorrow, with my yearnings, they had taken my heart with them. For you, ooh Taiba, you are my messenger star. You're my messenger star. Ooh Taiba, you're the cure and the healing. We miss you so much and hope to see you. We hope to see you. Oh my prophet, my most precious wishes is to visit you one time in my life, and near you to perform my prayer, invoke my Lord, and reading the Quran, reading the Quran. Oh Taiba, you're the cure and the